Hi darlings, in today's video I am showing you how to make your own gentle DIY face scrub at home. Let's get started. Now the first thing you're going to need is a glass container or a bowl. This is the one that I use to store all my face scrubs in, but you can choose anything that you prefer. You also need 4 teaspoons of brown coarse sugar, or you can use white sugar, and you can also make it 2 tablespoons instead of teaspoons. You also need a squeeze of lemon, and I'm using 1 fresh lemon, and this is about 1 teaspoon of lemon. And you also want to add raw honey. This is my favorite honey. I would say it's about 1 tablespoon of honey. Then you want to add your last ingredient, which is your milk. This is raw milk, and I'm adding only 2 teaspoons. And I'm just giving this a bit of a mix. If the consistency is starting to get a bit runny, you can add more sugar. Remember that the sugar works as an exfoliator, and the milk works as a lightening agent and also helps to combine the scrub so it is nice and gentle on your face. The lemon also works as a natural lighting agent, as well as the honey, because the honey also helps remove impurities on your skin as well as leave your skin feeling moisturized. Now for the application. Now for application, you want to start off on a clean face. I have rinsed my face with some warm water just to open up my pores a little bit, and you just want to rub it all over your cheeks, under your eyes, pretty much everywhere on your face. And you can also double up with the scrub, you guys. You can also use it as a face mask where you leave this on your skin for about 10 to 15 minutes after the application, or you can choose to rinse it off immediately. For the purpose of this video, I will be leaving it on for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like, and then I'm going to rinse it, and I'm going to come back and show you guys what my skin looks like immediately after rinsing the scrub. Now after you have rinsed off your face scrub or your face mask at this point, then you're just going to need a face cloth to lightly pat dry your face. Do not use the same towel that you use on your body on your face. It has a lot of bacteria most of the time, and it will just be a transfer of bacteria. So you just want to use a clean face cloth to very lightly pat dry your skin. Now I promise you guys, you'll already start to feel the difference on how soft your skin is. So at this point, you just want to follow it up with your favorite moisturizing cream, or even coconut oil if your skin is not too sensitive to coconut oil. I don't really put coconut oil on my face. I use it for the rest of my body, but not necessarily for my face. I just find that sometimes it causes breakouts for me. So yeah, but you guys can choose any moisturizer of your choice. And I'm also finishing it off with my favorite lip balm, just to make sure that my lips are not dry as well. And voila, you are all done. You can choose to continue with your normal skincare routine, or you can leave it here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.